Hello and welcome. I'm Mensa Augustine. In this video tutorial, we'll be looking at average questions for SAT, GCE or GCSE, WASSCE, BECE, IMC, ACT, and any other math examination that are average questions are highly in demand. Now, so let's see how we do this in a very simple way. Say a passenger and a freight train start towards each other at the same time from 2 points 300 kilometers apart. If the rate of the passenger train exceeds the rate of the freight train by 15 kilometers per hour and they meet after 4 hours, what must the rate of each be? Wow, this is a very nice average question. So leave your answer at the comment section and let's see. Wow, so let's see how we do that. Now, whenever we are given these problems, or problems such as this, what you do is that it is very convenient making a table that will just save your time. So let me use this sheet to make a small table, right? Let me use it here like this. Okay, let me use this sheet to make a very small table here. So our table is gonna be the rate, the time, and the distance in a very simple way. Okay, so we have the freight train, that is F, and then we have the passenger. So let's do this. Hope you can see that in a very simple way. Okay, so we are saying that we have something here. We need a rate. If the rate of the passenger train exceeds the rate of the freight train, so if the freight train is moving at a rate of let's say, what variable should I use? Okay, let me use the R there. Then the passenger train is moving 15 plus the R, because you are saying that the rate of the passenger train exceeds the rate of the freight train by 15 kilometers per hour. So that is what we have there. Now, and they meet after 4 hours. It means that the freight train took 4 hours to meet the passenger train. In the same way, the passenger train also took 4 hours to meet the freight train in a very simple way. Yes, that is it. Now, what about the distance traveled? What about the distance traveled? So for the distance traveled, we know that speed equals distance over time. So for the freight train, we have the rate, that is R equals the distance divided by the time, and that is D equals 4R in a very simple way. Wow, so I can put here 4R. And for the passenger train, we have the same D divided by 4 equals 15 plus R. So 4 times 15 is 60. So we have D equals 60 plus 4R. In a very simple, look at that. 4 times 15, 60, 4 times R is 4R. Wow. So the passenger train also covered a distance of 60 plus 4R. Wow. That is very simple. So the total distance covered is 300 kilometers. I hope you've seen that. Yes. This D is not equal to this D. Remember that. This is the distance covered by the freight train, and this is the distance covered. So let me put here F, and let me put here P. in a very simple way so that it will differentiate them. So we know the distance covered by each. So we sum them to get the total distance. I hope you understand that, because the question reads that a passenger and a freight train start towards each other at the same time from 2 points 300 kilometers apart. So the distance between them, or the total distance between them, is 300 kilometers. So if the freight train covers 4 hours of the distance, 4 hours, and the passenger train covers r plus 60, then it's gonna give us, 4 hours rather. 4 hours plus 60 is gonna give us the 300 that we're looking for in a very simple way. We have this to be 8 hours equals, we take 60 from this to get 240. And what would this give? This will give us r equals 30, because 8 will divide 24 3, then we put a 0 there. So the rate at which the freight train is moving is 30 kilometers per hour. And the rate at which the passenger train is moving is 15 plus 30, which is 45 kilometers per hour, in a very simple way. For more amazing videos like this, please follow, like, share, and comment for us to build the mathematics community.